Welcome friends. In this video I am going to tell about how right shift operator is going to be work. So right shift operator generally is called as a bitwise operator. So you better understand bitwise operator means it operate or we do different operational tasks on binary. Okay. So binary bits means here 0 and 1. Okay. So 0 means false, 1 means true. So here how it is going to be do this thing and how it is operate. So let's see. So first of all, the right shift operator looks like this. Okay, there is also upcoming time I make a video that is left shift operator, which is also work on a bits. So in this particular right shift operator, this operator generally shifting the bits towards right. But one point or one condition is arises here, how its shifting is moves towards right. Fine. So it depends on the number of bits it's moving towards the right. So if you added here 2, the shifting of bits towards right is 2 bits. So simultaneously 2 bits are shifting towards right, and the number of bits which are here is generally overlapping. How it is generally overlapping? If you go for the example, you better understand. Suppose I will take in here the binary that is 65. 65 means if there is a 7 bits, but I will convert it to 8 bits. So 0 1, then 0 0 0, then 1. So here it is a 65. Because how? Because I take 5 zeros within 2 ones. I remember this thing. Okay, if you have any question in mind that how could I understand and how could I know there are 1501, this is 65. Yes, this is a 65. So if you go for the return, it return the 65. It's a decimal form. When it is go for the shifting, okay, so 0 1 1 0 0, then 0 0 1, right shift 2. What is the meaning of right shift 2? Means moving these bits towards right. Moving these bits means first 0 1 bits moves towards the 0 1. Okay, 0 1, then next 0 0 0 bits moves towards this. Means here is after moving bits towards right, it returns you first 0 0, then first 0 0, then assign 0 1. Okay, then here comes out what is here, this 0 0 comes out here. Okay, so here 0 0, because here 2 zeros comes out here, 2 zeros, then here 2 zeros comes out this here 0 1. So here 0 0. Understood what is going on here? See, first 0 1. Okay, first 0 1. So this 0 1 is updated by these 2 zeros. These 2 zeros. So here shifting from 2 zeros to here, that is 0 0. Then here 2 zeros place is generally filled by these 2 zeros. So here it 2 zeros come to here. Then here 2 zeros generally filled by this 0 1. Then it comes to here. Then these two places, two bit places is filled by 2 zeros. That's it. Okay, so here what is going to be written? 16. The value here written 16. If you count in this way, that's okay. If you are not able to count in this way, take direct ham, directly remove these 2 bits. These 2 bits you directly remove. What are the remaining bits? You count it. What are the remaining bits? You count it. Okay, you remove the right side of number of bits, that is 2. How could I know that's a number of bits at 2? Here see, there is a 2 shifting 2. So here right side 2 bits are going to be deleted. After deleted, it returns you this. Okay, so let's see. So suppose x equal to 1 5 zeros 1. Okay, then print x right shift 2. What is going to be written here? See. Okay, so here it returns 2 5 25. How it is going to be It's not a right answer. After right shifting, I will shift. Okay, I do one thing here. Y equal to x right shift 2. Okay, then I print it to the y. So now it is going to be written. Okay, here it written as a 2,50,000. This is not a right answer. Okay, because it's written the 16 value. But why it is going to be written here in this way? So 1501, then I shifting x towards 2, that is it going to removing right side 2 bits, and whatever the remaining bits is going to be assigned to the y, and it print y, but it returns you, that's a 2,50,000. Okay, so here the answer is coming out not the right answer. So let's see what is going to be wrong here. Okay, I will take the binary data directly, but here we are not taking any binary data. The numerical data taken as 65. When it is going to be work now, it is return you 16. Okay, so the binary form of the 65 I will taken as the wrong steps, that's why it return this thing. Okay, now it is going to be right. I will not take in a binary data. So here binary data means, here I suppose this is the binary data, but computer suppose this is not a binary data, this is the actual data which I am going to be inputted as a numeric form. Okay, as a numeric form. Here is the numeric form is 65 and the binary form is this. Computer understood this binary form and shifting towards right by the number of steps is here 2. So 2 is the number of steps. 2 is here number of steps. Okay, 2 is your number of steps, then assign to the y, then it is going to be print the y. So this is the way how right shift operator is going to be work. If you want to take another bit, suppose 4, okay, then print x right shift 2. Okay, so what is going to be written? See 1, how it is possible? So convert the 4 to the binary. So 4 bits I will take in is here 4 bits, counting as a 4 bits. So 0 0, what is 0 1 0 0. Okay, this is the 4, this is the 4. When it is going to be shifting towards 2 bits right, 2 bits right means here first 2 bits are going to be deleted. Then what is the answer? That is the result. Your result means here C is a 1 0 1, that is 0 1. Yes, 1 is coming, that's all. Understood? Then next, x equal to suppose 6. 6 means 0 1 1 0, then print here x right shift 3. So now what is your answer? 3 means all the right side bits, 3 bits are going to be 0, means deleted, and it is written 0. Okay, the shifting is 0. Okay, because these 3 bits are shifting by the previous 3 bits. Okay, these 3 bits 0 0 0 0. So here 2 bits and here 1 0 bit. So all 3 bits are shifting towards these 3 bits. Okay, then it is going to be written as all zeros, then it is going to be written zeros. Fine, understood? This is the right shifting. If you have any doubt, go through the comment box, type there. Please like and share this video, and also click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon. When I am going to upload any future videos, you will get the notifications. Thank you.